Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Binance using a QR code. This secure and efficient method allows you to access your account quickly without typing your credentials. We will cover the simple steps for both desktop and mobile, ensuring a smooth experience. This guide will help you understand the process in just a few minutes, making your Binance login faster and more secure every time you need to access your account. First, navigate to the official Binance website using your preferred web browser on your computer. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, typically found in the top right corner, and click it. Instead of entering your username and password, you will see a unique QR code appear on your screen. This code is valid for a short period, usually about 60 seconds, so be ready for the next step. Next, open the Binance mobile application on your smartphone. On the app's home screen or login page, you will find a small scan icon, often resembling a square with a line through it, usually located near the top. Tap this icon to activate your phone's camera. Carefully position your phone so that the camera can clearly capture the entire QR code displayed on your desktop screen. Ensure good lighting for a quick scan. After successfully scanning the QR code, your mobile app will display a confirmation screen showing the login details. Take a moment to review these details to ensure everything is correct. Then, simply tap the Confirm button within the Binance mobile application. Within a few seconds, your desktop browser will automatically refresh, and you will be securely logged into your Binance account, ready to manage your assets and trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.